5 seconds to go. Start. Fundamental rights are enshrined in Part 3 of Indian Constitution from Article 12 to 35. Fundamental rights in Part 3 is rightly described as the Magna Carta of India. The fundamental rights are aimed to promote ideal of political democracy in India. They prevent the establishment of an authoritarian and despotic rule in country and to protect the rights and liberties of people against the invasion by states. The fundamental rights are guaranteed to all persons without any discrimination. They uphold the equality and dignity of individuals, the larger public interest and unity of nation. Internet, being an ocean of information, helps in developing informed citizens. An informed citizen is more aware of its fundamental rights. They help in keeping the excesses of the government in check, thus preventing the establishment of a despotic rule in the country. With the right to freedom that guarantees the freedom of speech and expression as fundamental right, there has also been demand to declare right to internet as a fundamental right in view that people must have access to internet while exercising their rights of freedom and speech. Need for recognizing right to internet as a fundamental right. It is time that we recognize the right to internet access as a fundamental right. Internet, broadband and mobile internet services are a lifeline to people in India from all walks of life. While the internet is certainly a main source of information and communication, it is so much more than that, and people working in the technology based economy like the thousands of delivery workers for Swiggy, Amazon, etc., and the cab drivers of Uber and Ola depend on the internet for their livelihoods. It is a mode of access to education for students who do courses and take exams online. Access to the internet is important to facilitate the promotion and enjoyment of the right to education. The internet provides access to transport for millions of urban and rural people. It is also a mode to access to health services online. More than anything, it is a means for business and occupation for thousands of small and individual owned enterprises which sell their products and services online. Thus, the access to the internet is a right that is very similar to what Supreme Court held with respect to the right to privacy in the Justice K.S. Puttaswamy judgment, a right that is located through all our fundamental rights and freedoms. These include the right to freedom of speech and expression, freedom of peaceful assembly and association, freedom of trade and occupation, and the right to life, education, health, livelihood, dignity, and privacy under Article 21. Full stop.